Hey guys, I want to pop back on here and talk about the concept of magic and, in a way, the difference between, or the similarities and the differences between channeling magic and energy. Because, there's energy you can use to either sense people and love and such and so forth. And then there's like a magic aspect to it. Now, do know that there are magicians, there are witches, there are angels, guardians. There are many people incarnated in physical form that are those things, those entities, certain like that. And there's also, evil entities out as well. I'm not sure about physical form, but, entities in general. But magic, applying to twin flames, is the sense of a way for you to further connect with your twin flame. And you apply this form of magic towards your twin flame to you both, can form it together to build a better connection, whether you're talking through telepathy or, traveling or visiting each other through dreams or physical or astral travel, There's magic involved with it in a way. And often, as y'all know, I speak to my guides, so I'm trying to see what is appropriate to say and what not to say, because most of it's personal. But there's when you apply this energy towards your soulmate or your twin flame, I can't say which is specifically for. I'm just saying from a twin flame perspective. You apply it and then it kind of generates this form of energy that you feel, and then your partner's feeling as well, your counterpart. And you communicate better through this energy, you connect better, you can actually hear better telepathy-wise. It's an overall sensational feeling that you kind of bring down into your whole body. If you know how to channel, those who know how to channel, you know the feeling. It's a vibrational, high, positive, very pure energy that you kind of channel and you generate over your entire body. But this energy is what you use to also communicate in a way with your divine counterpart. And you'll have ways that you do it with it. Whether that be, as I said before, astral traveling to them or visiting them spiritually through dreams and whatnot. But the way it's you say you're meditating, and then you draw in the calm energy over your body and you're building it up, and you have this pure energy rushing through your body and you're meditating with it. And as you are doing this, it's gaining, it's building up. The way I apply magic, as many things I've been told pertaining to myself and how I use my own magic towards, certain things I wanted to apply it towards. Positive things, of course, positive. I channel it and I build it up and I have it to where it's very high energy, and I can disperse it. But ways I disperse it can sort of push off things. And I'll probably get a whole other video about that. I don't know, I'll probably do this video. But it's a way of my energy, my magic building up, and then I disperse it. And when I disperse it, I can either push certain entities away or negative things away from me, or when I do disperse it, it's a way of dispersing it towards my counterpart, if that makes sense. And it's to help us build a better connection, whether that be telepathy and all the other stuff I mentioned before. Yeah, so those who know that they can control their magic and they know how to work the magic, you know what I'm talking about. It's a very unique feeling, something I'm kind of new to. Not at the moment, but I was new to. I wasn't aware of this months ago now. It's been months. there's been a lot of upgrades been taking place, and a lot of awakening to new abilities and such. So yeah, this magic may apply to those who can channel it. It's a sort of vibrational feeling. You'll know the feeling. Sorry, I keep repeating the same thing. I'm trying to describe it better. But many twin flames should know this feeling. And you can do many things with it. I'm not saying I know everything you can do with it, but I know a few things I can do with that type of magic, the form of magic that I do channel. But yeah, magic is real. It's definitely something that you can channel and sort of apply to people in a positive way, I hope. Because, there's dark magic as well. And what you generate and what you try to, put onto others or force onto others, whether that be in positive or negative, it can manifest. So be careful where you apply your magic. There's a lot of people out here that's very powerful, and they probably channel their magic in a negative way, which is okay. We are free will. Do as you must. Do as you please. Yeah, so anything about magic that comes back up, I'll try to do a second video. But yeah, so you guys just take care. Always take care of your body. Cleanse yourself as well when you do channel. I might do a video on that as well. Tools I use to cleanse and help cleanse my energy for channeling. I'm often told sometimes whether to cleanse myself whenever I channel. But yeah, talk to you guys later.